Official Realme GT7 with Dimensity 9400 Plus to launch this month. Realme has officially announced the launch of its upcoming flagship smartphone, the Realme GT7. According to Realme executives, the device will be among the first to feature MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset. The chip, which is set to debut on April 11th, will be an overclocked version of the Dimensity 9400 that debuted in October last year. Realme GT7 to launch this month with Dimensity 9400. Realme's Vice President, Suchet, has highlighted the importance of 3nm technology in defining next-generation flagship performance. The Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, is expected to bring substantial improvements in power efficiency and thermal management. The CPU configuration includes one Cortex-X 9 to 5 core clocked at 3.73 GHz, 3 Cortex-X for cores at 3.30 GHz, and for Cortex-A720 cores at 2.4 GHz, making it MediaTek's highest frequency mobile processor to date. Benchmark results suggest that the chipset could surpass 3 million points on AnTuTu, positioning it as a top-tier performer among Android devices. The GT7 will succeed last year's GT6, which featured the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The brand has confirmed that the GT7 will debut this month April in China. Realme GT7 specifications rumor. Apart from its powerful chipset, the Realme GT7 is likely to feature a 7000 mAh single-cell battery with 1 OW fast charging. The device is also expected to feature a 1.5K flat display with support for a high refresh rate. Despite the larger battery, Realme has managed to keep the phone thinner and lighter than its predecessor, making it more ergonomic and comfortable for daily use. While the official pricing remains unconfirmed, industry analysts expect the Realme GT7 to be priced around 3,000 yuan for $115, aligning with Realme's GT series positioning. The Realme GT7 will face competition from the Redmi K80 Ultra and the OnePlus Ace 5 South, which are expected to feature the Dimensity 9400 Plus. The Honor GT Pro, which is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite, will also rival these the three Dimensity-powered smartphones. Processor Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile Platform, CPU, 3nm process, octa-core, up to 4.32 GPU, Adreno 830, a 1100 MHz memory and storage up to 512 GB large storage RAM, 12 GB, 16 GB ROM, to 56 GB. 512 GB up to 28 GB dynamic RAM display, 120 Hz four-sided curved display screen size, 17.22 cm 6.78-inch resolution, 2780*1260 for 1.5000 peak brightness: 6500 screen-to-body ratio, 92.8% refresh rate, up to 120 Hz touch sampling rate, up to 240 Hz instant touch sampling rate, up to 2600 Hz contrast ratio, 6 million. 1 brightness adjustment, 10,000 level color depth, 1.07 billion colors color gamut, 120% DCI-P3 protection, 0.68 mm four-sided curved display charging and battery, onto OW SuperVOOC charge, 6500 mAh, tip massive battery 6310 mAh, min battery capacity includes an 1 to OW charging adapter USB Type-C port.